Yeah.
West Central Indian River County in East Central Florida, Southern Brevard County in East Central Florida, Southeastern Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Kenansville, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of West Central Indian River, Southern Brevard, and Southeastern Osceola counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.